Okay, so today Peter will be leading because I'm sick of GPSing.
Hey guys, I'll be your captain for today.
Do you want to tell us what happened yesterday?
Well, yesterday I was going, but then we had a few left behind.
From my point of view, what happened was he went too fast and we lost 3 people. Two of them had no Wi-Fi.
Lost 2, and then another 2 got lost, which is you and Alex.
I didn't get lost because I had internet. I just didn't want to talk to you, so I hung up.
No, you got lost inside the station.
Oh my goodness. But yes, today we are forced to put our trust in Peter yet again.
Yet again, I went all the right directions, and I was leading the right way.
But you left the team behind. You left the freaking team behind.
Mate, there's no communication between the back and the front.
That is in part like what the captain is supposed to like do.
No, our team members are supposed
agree?
to ensure communication equally between all.
Basically, this trip, it happened again. It happened
It
again.
happened again. They
You're
said
supposed to
stop.
go back and look for your freaking team and make sure
You're the
6 of us are
captain.
always
You're meant to help us.
Did you say anything?
So we nearly lost Alex, guys.
Alright, that's communication.
Yes.
Communication. Dude, when teachers go on excursions, they have one teacher at the front, one teacher at the back.
So what? You want a co-teacher?
Alex,
I thought you said
Alex
we
was
could
the teacher.
fully
Alex
trust
was the
you.
teacher at the back.
You guys can, but can I trust you guys?
I don't want, dude, I'm putting my trust completely in you.
Yeah, shouldn't I be trusting you?
I don't give a shit. We can waste time. Oh my god. He's going down. You're going down, Peter. You're going down. He got it wrong again. Oh my god. We're done for today. It's okay. We are at Naki what?
G'day guys, Frank Walker from National
Oh
Tiles.
my god, Peter.
We're at Naki Rio today.
Okay, what kind of restaurant is it?
It's a ramen restaurant.
It's a Michelin star. That's the most important thing to me, okay? We went to Sutta yesterday, like at 8 a.m. and it was bloody closed. Obviously, I didn't do my research. Sorry, guys.
Good leading one.
What the hell? You don't even help me at all, man. I've been GPSing the whole way and like coming off stuff to do. I didn't have time to plan this trip because I was so like busy trying to find a place to live next year. I'm moving out mid-Jan.
She's
Yay.
becoming homeless.
I'm not becoming homeless. I'm living in an actual nice place. Thank you very much. So I signed the lease like literally the day before I left. And then when I come back, I have to like, I don't know, read and meet up with the landlord and so and so. So yeah. Are you guys keen?
How do you spell Michelin?
And the line ain't too shabby, guys. We got here pretty late. We slept in, unlike yesterday. The line's here, and then this is it. So I'd say there's like 20 people waiting in like a 10 people restaurant, which isn't bad. You only get to order 1 bowl of ramen, probably, I don't know. Show me the menu.
Long? It's a ticket machine. I guess
Oh, bloody hell, for this place.
In Japanese.
For this place.
Yeah, the other place is...
Okay, the shit thing about Japan is
Everything's in Japanese?
everything is in
Wow.
Japanese. Shut up.
Who would have thought?
Like, there are no subtitles, I do nothing. Yeah.
Where's my...
I'll just eat whatever. I'm cool.
Reference. So like this is spicy ramen, this is
Fucking great. Fucking great.
this is soy sauce ramen.
In Nagi what? We're actually able to fit all 6 of us in here. And there's only 10 seats in the restaurant. They are so nice. They actually tried to fit us all in. This is Michael doing his Asian thing. And this is Peter and Brian. You order at
We basically took off half the restaurant. We took off like more than half the restaurant.
60%.
We tried to eat as quick as I tried to eat as quick as I could.
What the no brain?
What? Did you like it?
That was alright.
What the fuck? This guy, like, nothing satisfies him.
No,
He's a fucking bitch.
I like the other
You're a
ramen.
fucking bitch. Not even a
I
Michelin.
prefer other ramen.
Yeah, I wasn't mindful.
Yeah.
I wasn't like, whoa.
Oh, really?
I told you guys this was like Chinese, Japanese inspired.
I was like inspired, I mean, like mind blown by the egg.
Ramen's just the same.
My 500 yen ramen tasted better.
Alright, let's go.
Nah. Unacceptable. That 500 yen ramen, it wasn't even a salted egg.
True. If we didn't
Yeah.
go, we wouldn't know.
Totally worth it though, to go once in your life, I guess. We're like full bitching about Peter. Like, as he leaves us, oh my god. Peter is directing us yet again back to the hotel. Let's see if he even knows where the fuck he's going. Oh my god. I can't breathe anymore.
Oh, wait, what? We are super squished. Like, everyone's squished. Okay, pop out the crowns, guys. Oh, yeah, let's see how it is. Good. Perfect. So, stay safe on a train with a massive luggage. Get on it.
This is the most expensive train ride ever. Cost us like $120 for one 1 hour train ride. Holy shit sakes. I miss my car. Oh. Here you go, $120 train ride. Wowzers. It's supposed to go 329 kilometers an hour. Damn, that's pretty slow. Jokes. It's just because it's stopping. Wow, it looks like a fucking spaceship. Wowzers. Wowzers. Spaceship. Shit, it's so packed. Guys, we're done for. What the fuck? That's 2, 3. $120 train ride. I'm sitting on the floor because there was no space. T-Town, I'll say hello to Snapchat. Because I'm sitting on the floor, the door keeps opening. I kind of feel bad. Hopefully it closes. Oh, really? We're moving really fast. You can actually see the Google Dot moving. 330 kilometers an hour. The most expensive train ride on my fucking entire... Hey! Bye bye. Oh, what? Yeah. Oh, wait. How do I switch cameras? So we paid $120 to sit on the floor, like the entire fucking trip. Wow. Wow. Damn. It's long. Nice. That's so cool. Okay, we're in Nagoya for one night just to check out a Capsule hotel. Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, we can chill down here and have 7-Eleven here. This is an amenity corner. It's free, which is so cool. I will take a body towel, a hairbrush. I haven't actually brushed my hair since I got here. A body towel. I think it's an exfoliant. It looks like an exfoliant. And there's hair ties here too, but this won't hold my hair. My hair is so thick. It's gonna snap these little hair ties. And there's earplugs. Okay, so it's not a ghost. It's just an automatic playing piano. Yes. What song is it playing now? Daybreak. I have no idea what that song is. Daybreak.
Standard room, all the boys got the freaking premium room. But now, it says here, women get the lotion, their face wash, the cleansing foam, the emulsion, while the boys just get skin water and shave cleansing. Yeah, I'm super happy because I haven't washed my face since I got here. I've just been using makeup remover and water. I can't wait! Yay!
we just got into our Capsule hotel, and Two Tao, she accidentally pressed the emergency button.
It's just there. Like I was looking for the light switch.
Yeah.
And I just went pressing random buttons from there.
And no one came. So I guess that's kind of worrying. This is like a Japanese capsule hotel. So this is like the female only section. Everything is shared. Everything is shared. So everyone's luggage, you have to lock it. There's no space whatsoever. And then you have like the bathroom in there. It's just like, oh my god, this is actually so much better than I expected. Even though it's a standard room, it's actually not bad. Yeah, bitches. We're waiting for the boys, like usual, kind of. This is Two Tao. We're ready, guys. Waiting for you guys. It's like 7 o'clock. The place is gonna close in 2 hours, and it takes half an hour to get there. Let's get a move on, guys. Oh well. So Nabano Tower is actually 47 minutes away from here.
It's 59.
59 minutes,
By
really?
PT.
My Google Map says
That's by
47.
driving.
Oh, okay. Well, let's just say 1 hour away, and it's like 6:55, and it closes at 9. And we're probably gonna get lost.
We have to take a bus.
And yeah,
And we don't know how to take a bus.
and we don't. Yeah, we haven't taken a bus yet here. Surprisingly, we've been walking everywhere. We're still waiting for the boys. They haven't even bothered messaging us. This is shit. Basically, the whole day was spent like getting out of the hotel. At least we ate ramen, the spicy
Michelin
ramen.
star.
Yeah, the Michelin star. And just checking in. And what the fuck? We'll have to check out again tomorrow.
That's the whole reason we're here.
We're running because we literally have like 15 minutes here. This is Peter. He's like running with his GoPro. I'm so fucking tired. 2 times that again. Screw everyone else. So we only have like 50 minutes here. They give us 1,000 yen to spend on souvenirs and food.
We're probably really fast.
We're in such a rush because we spent like most of the day just, I don't know, but anyways.
This is like playing a lecture on 2.5 speed.
Okay, so like, to tell explain. Oh no, anyway, she was just going on about how fuck souvenirs, fuck everything.
Bye.
So pretty! So pretty! Wow! Okay, Peter, do your 540 kick? I'll record you right now. Oh my gosh! 대박! Thank you! Next! One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you. Next. A beautiful, slow, romantic walk, yet we're freaking running through it. Power walk, guys. Yeah, bitch. Yeah. Slap that bitch in. Pretty.
Oh, I really like these trees though.
Oh fuck, it looks beautiful. You guys have to come here in person. Preferably come a lot earlier. 1 hour doesn't seem to be enough. Oh my god, my phone's so shit.
Here we go, the Japan one.
Yes, the freaking tower. We're getting there. Oh my god. Okay, start running. Wow, すごい. Wow. Oh my god, guys. Okay, so this is Brian and Peter. Oh, it's too bright in here. Wow. Okay, we ran here. Is there anything else to see? I'm tired. So this place is actually more expensive during winter because of the special winter show. Yay! It's like some Asian thing, I don't know. How do I? Oh, shit sakes! Oh, how do I? There you go. Wow, sugoi! Okay, that's enough. I'm a bit tired now. Wow! We went through Nabano in 50 minutes. Successfully, guys. Successfully.
Easy. Got like 1,000 shots and photo shoot with each
Yep.
other.
Yep. Lighting, everything. We freaking did it.
Got our little lighting here.
Okay.
I think they paid, do they?
I hope we're on the right bus because this is literally the last bus. Shit sakes. I just took a shower and someone took my shoes. Great. I'm barefoot in the hotel.